and lost you. Hi. Hi, Dad. Woo! Hi. Mom, like this here, I'll explain. Hey guys, it's May, my mom, and Kayla.
May, my mom. Oh no!
No,
We're cooking spaghetti today. Filipino style spaghetti.
I have had a shower, no worries. But
We don't care about your life. We're just here to make spaghetti.
shut up. Anyways, everybody started school today except us. Who starts on a Friday, you may ask? Really no point. It's also 45 degrees tomorrow. So.
Let's not go.
Let's not go, Mom. It's wet. Let's.
The sauce, the spaghetti sauce.
That's what I told
Oh my
you.
God.
Dad, I don't want to have bolognese. White people eat sauce. I'm joking. I like tacos. That's my obsession. I could have tacos every day a week. Oh my god. Oh my gulay. Who says that?
Wala eh.
Beef free mince. Is that possible? Yes. I didn't know you could have beef mince without beef.
Come on, Mika, you're my chef. Hey guys, it's me again, May. Today we're going to show you how I cook my... Why do I talk slow?
Why I cook my...
I know. Alright, erase. Hi guys, it's May. Today we're gonna show you how to cook my version of spaghetti bolognese. Why are you laughing? Oh,
Hey guys. And today,
Okay, we're gonna cook my version of bolognese, but meat-free. Beef-free means it's actually not beef.
nah.
No, it's not. It's free. It's for free. And I'm gonna use 1 capsicum
Why is that
or bell
capsicum built
pepper,
like
if you want to
that?
call it bell pepper. And then I'm gonna use mushroom, 1 onion, 1 big carrot. As you can see, it's very big. Himalayan pink rock salt. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's muti pasta organic tomato puree. And I'm gonna use only the Coles brand tomato paste because I'm only gonna put a little tiny bit of it. And
Whoa.
I have chickpeas pasta. I'm gonna use this one.
It's
We're
not
going
spicy.
to add garlic as well. I love this one. I add it to my pasta whenever I make my own version of bolognese.
Can I only get it in Australia?
Of course not. Meron na sa ibang store din. I already started boiling the water. I cook the pasta first all the time. I think it's about 10 minutes.
Just yellow it.
And then just halo it. And I will put a little bit of salt.
And these pots were sponsored by my kids.
That's a tiny bit of salt.
So that it doesn't taste like cardboard.
It doesn't taste like cardboard.
And here's a random plant here. She's kind of dying, but it's fine.
Don't leave my plants alone.
She's a bit sweaty too.
Let's chop. Take a bowl. You chop all the veggies. Tapos, ay bumpas. Wait. Ay bumpas ang droga. Ay. Ay! Ano ba naman to? Ayan. Kasing tanda na ni Michaela yung drawer dito, kaya yun ang magsipag bukas.
I didn't understand what she said.
Wash it. It's very quick and easy to make. You don't have a lot of ingredient because I don't put a lot of ingredient.
Not 100% guarantee it's gonna taste good, but
Well, it tastes good to me. That's all that matters. Kasi itong mga anak ko, ayaw ng spaghetti bolognese. Gusto nila Filipino style spaghetti. I was supposed to show you guys how I cook my version of Filipino style spaghetti. Unfortunately, hindi ko makita yung aking spaghetti
Jesus
sauce.
Christ.
I don't know where I put the sauce.
That's a lot of carrots for just you.
Well, I'm not gonna eat it just in one day. What I'm cooking will be my food for the next at least 4 days. So I'll just put it in the fridge. That's my lunch for 4 days. They're going to eat spam and corned beef. Breakfast food. Next I'm going to cut is my bell pepper. I got my assistant stirring yung aking binoboil. So I take that thing off because obviously hindi ko sinasama yung pag nagluluto kayo. Cut it the same way. I cut my carrots little cubes.
Capsicums are gross.
Everything sa'yo is gross.
I everything you're making except that.
I sometimes put, which I know you shouldn't put. I put spinach. I'm not trying to be a vegetarian or a vegan or anything, but I'm trying to be a pescatarian. So I'm becoming a pest to everyone because I can't eat meat at the moment. Next, I'm going to cut my mushroom. I'm gonna only put a little bit of mushroom just because I'm going to use this one for carbonara on Monday. Alam nyo na yun, kailangan nyo laging binawash ang mga veggies. So I'm cutting this one, not a cube, but actually I'll cut it no, not cube. No. I'll cut it in half and then slice it. Just like that. Nilalagay ko lang siya all in the same plate kasi I'm going to put them all at the same time. The last thing I cut is the onion. Kasi alam niyo naman ang onion, lagi kayong pinapaiyak. Parang minsan ng mga asawa nyo at saka yung mga boyfriend nyo, pinapaiyak kayo. Kaya dapat laging lasing dapat, you know, prioritize yourself first. Kasi yung mga husband nyo, yung mga partner nyo, minsan pinapaiyak kayo. Dapat lagi silang huli.
Don't listen to her.
Kita nyo, sabi ko sa'yo, paiyakin kayo ng onion eh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What? That's all done, that's all cut up. And what I'm gonna do now is clean a bit. I think that was more than 10 minutes. I'm gonna dry my pasta now. It's the same.
It's so high now.
It's so high now. Look at my look. Assistant ko. Nakatako. Halika dito. Dali na. Ang init-init eh. Ano pinagagawa mo sa sarili mo? Using extra virgin olive oil.
Because she's an extrovert.
Because I'm an extra and I want to be extra. Bakit ba? You put the onion first. And then you quickly put the garlic. Just a teaspoon for your onion. Oops. Just because I like pepper. We're gonna add tiny bit of white pepper. Apparently this will cook in about 10 minutes. I'm putting all my veggies. I'm gonna put them all at the same time. Just give it about a minute or 2 minutes before I put my sauce. Dumidikit siya kahit na non-stick yung aking kaldero.
As you can see, we have not taken down our Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's nearly end of January.
What are you doing?
It's cold. It's hot. That's sitting there for about 2 minutes already. Now we're going to put sauce. Oh, last one. Put a little bit of water so you can get the mice out of it. You kalog-kalog. You kalog-kalog-kalog-kalog. Dito yung niluluto mo. Wala dyan. I think I'll put a little bit more water. I'm putting the tomato paste. I'll maybe 2 teaspoons. I'll put another. I'm gonna season it now with a little bit of Italian herb mix. Kinda don't like the color of this bolognese. Let it simmer for about 8 minutes. It's now 10 minutes. Cook na. I separated some of it because